Alex, I've been searching the whole park for you.
I haven't moved an inch. I've been sitting right here, contemplating the meaning of life.
Contemplating or dozing off in broad daylight?
Don't say that. It's called meditating in a semi-conscious state.
Ah, the kind of meditation where your mouth is still drooling?
That's a sign of extreme concentration.
I heard you plan to wake up early for a run this morning.
Spot on.
So, why did you only reply to my message at 10?
The plan was grand, but my body rebelled fiercely.
How did your body rebel?
Yeah, the alarm blared at 6 o'clock.
And then?
I turned it off to train my spirit a bit more.
Train for how long?
About 3 hours.
Oh my goodness.
Sleeping in is a way to store energy for the future.
So, you're probably storing up for the next millennium.
At least I set the alarm.
I suspect you set it just to turn it off for the thrill.
Not at all. I set it to prove I have iron willpower.
But that willpower went back to sleep, right?
Exactly.
How's studying going this week?
I just invented a super effective study technique.
What technique?
Open the book and gaze at it.
And then?
Stare intently at the words.
And then?
And hope the knowledge absorbs into my brain automatically.
You're studying like wireless Wi-Fi connection?
Precisely. But the password seems a bit complicated.
How were your test scores?
The teacher wrote a very profound comment.
What comment?
You have great potential if you study hard.
Meaning you're being lazy right now.
100% accurate.
This week, I've been wrestling with math to the point of wanting my brain to explode.
I always compare math to a thrilling detective movie.
Why?
Because you always have to hunt for clues about X.
But did you catch it?
Not yet. X escapes too quickly.
No wonder your math scores are always mysteriously unpredictable.
Not mysterious.
Then what?
It's a national secret, can't disclose. You're sipping on bubble tea.
Yeah. Wanna try?
Nah,
Why not?
because if I drink, I'll crave a second one right away.
Then drink another.
Then a third.
What's the big deal?
And after that, my wallet will lose weight faster than me.
You're always saying you're saving money.
That's right.
But yesterday I saw you buying cake.
That's a strategic investment in joy.
Joy with a chocolate flavor?
Exactly.
I think you should invest in vegetables and fruits.
I think so too.
But
Veggies don't flirt with me with seductive eyes like cake does.
you're personifying food staring at you?
Don't judge a starving guy.
Look, that guy over there is running like the wind.
I bet he's being chased by his wife.
Oh, heavens.
Otherwise, why run so fast?
It's called exercising the body.
I exercise too.
When?
When I chase after the snack cart.
That's not exercise.
It is.
How so?
Running while balancing the wallet budget.
Can your wallet balance it?
No.
I guessed as much.
Do you know why I love weekends the most?
Because you can sleep in?
Wrong.
Because no studying?
Also wrong.
Then why?
Because weekends make me believe there's still a glimmer of hope in life.
Sounds philosophical.
But that glimmer usually fades by Sunday evening.
When you suddenly remember Monday morning,
Spot on.
life is truly an endless loop.
Sleep. Study. Eat. Sleep.
You forgot one thing.
What?
Daydreaming wildly.
Ah, right.
Typical example?
Dreaming that one fine day, I'll really wake up early.
A grand dream indeed.
But I believe in miracles.
Alex, how many hours a day do you stare at your phone?
I don't know.
Really don't know?
Yeah. Because I don't dare check the stats.
Why?
Afraid it'll reveal a number that makes me ponder about human existence.
Specific example?
Today you used your phone for 8 straight hours.
8 hours is normal.
But the scary part is, I can't remember what I did in those 8 hours.
Scrolling randomly.
Exactly.
Me too.
But I have a weird habit.
What habit?
Pick up the phone.
And then?
Completely forget what I was going to do.
Oh gosh.
Then I put it down.
And?
2 minutes later, pick it up again.
To do what?
Still forgot.
You're stuck in a time loop.
Exactly. It's just like a sci-fi movie.
What title?
The guy who opens his phone without knowing why. Honestly,
What?
I think the park has a big unresolved issue.
What issue?
Too few snack stalls.
I think there are quite a few.
But, from my perspective,
Which is,
still severely lacking.
you just nibbled on a snack earlier.
That was just the opener.
Opener?
Like an athlete warming up.
Culinary athlete?
Athlete, eating before the official meal.
I'm starting to worry about your wallet.
My wallet is resilient.
Resilient how?
It's used to being empty.
Alex, do you plan to study tonight?
Yes,
What plan?
start studying at 7 p.m.
Sounds serious.
7:05, take a short break.
Huh.
7:20, continue. Preparing.
Preparing?
Clean the desk.
Takes 15 minutes?
I'm a perfectionist.
Then after that?
7:40, officially open the book.
Finally getting into it.
But at 7:45, I need to rest.
Rest again?
Because studying is too stressful.
You've only studied for 5 minutes.
My brain is sensitive.
If you really studied, your brain would be shocked.
That's why I have to study, slowly. Emna, I have a profound philosophical question.
Sounds intimidating.
If one day you're lost without internet,
Then what?
how would you manage?
I think. Bury myself in books.
I'd panic extremely.
Why?
Because I wouldn't know the weather for tomorrow.
Look up at the sky and you'll know.
But the phone app is much more detailed.
For example,
60% chance of rain.
observing clouds can guess too.
But clouds don't have percentages.
You're truly a slave to technology.
Not a slave.
Then what?
A strategic partner.
Alex,
Hmm?
have you ever thought we should live more energetically?
Yes,
Like running?
I think so too.
So why are we still sitting here lazily?
Because I believe thinking about exercise is already a big step.
A step only in your mind.
Exactly.
Alex,
What?
I've discovered a truth. What truth?
You talk a lot about grand plans,
Right.
but rarely turn them into reality.
That's a unique lifestyle.
What style?
Long-term strategic style.
Meaning?
Waiting for inspiration to strike.
And has inspiration come?
Not yet.
When will it come?
Maybe next week.
Or next year?
Don't rush, Emna.
I think the park is a paradise.
Why?
Because here people run, lift weights,
And us?
sit still, and comment.
That's also a form of activity.
Sharp mental activity.
Alex,
Mm.
I just had an idea.
Sounds dangerously exciting.
We should start exercising.
I've thought that about 100 times.
This time for real.
I'm always serious. Before giving up.
Just run one lap around the park.
One lap?
Yeah,
This park is vast.
not that vast.
But if I run,
Then what?
I'll be exhausted.
That's the essence of training.
But I don't like that essence.
What essence do you want?
For example, training without getting tired.
Is there such a discipline?
Yes,
What discipline?
thinking about training.
Alex. Fine, no running, let's talk about goals.
Goals?
Yeah. What goals do you have this year?
I have one.
Tell me.
Become an upgraded version of myself.
Sounds inspiring.
But there's a catch.
What catch?
I don't know where to start.
Start with waking up early.
Too hard.
Study more diligently.
Also tough.
Exercise regularly.
Even harder.
So what will you do?
I'll start with positive thinking.
Example?
For example, someday I'll be better.
And someday,
I'll repeat that mantra again.
you're consistent.
Consistent. In procrastinating.
Alex, I realized something.
What?
You talk about food more than studying.
Because food is more reliable.
Reliable how?
When I'm sad, food never betrays me.
But the scale might betray you.
Don't touch on sensitive topics.
I'm just concerned about your health.
I am too.
So why still devour everything?
Because I'm afraid of starving.
But you just ate.
I'm worried about the near future.
How near?
About 20 minutes from now. Emna, do you ever ask weird questions?
Example?
For example, why is pizza round?
Yeah?
But the box is square.
And when eaten, cut into triangles.
Exactly.
I think that's a life lesson.
What lesson?
Life is full of complex shapes.
But pizza is delicious.
Absolutely. Alex, do you feel weekends fly by quickly?
Fast as lightning.
Just morning and already evening.
I have an interesting hypothesis.
What hypothesis?
Weekend time speeds up compared to weekdays.
Not really.
Then why does it feel that way?
Because we're having fun.
Oh,
When happy, time flies.
so when studying,
Time crawls like a turtle.
spot on.
You finally get it.
Emna,
What?
I think today is awesome.
Why?
Because we sit chatting, laughing our heads off,
Yeah.
and no worries about homework.
Don't mention assignments.
Sorry.
But I also think today is super fun.
Really?
Yeah.
So next week, meet at the park again.
Okay.
But next week, what to do?
Maybe run.
Sounds scary.
Or lift weights.
Even scarier.
Then just sit and chat.
Great idea.
Alex,
Don't.
I just realized.
Realized what?
We came to the park to exercise,
Yeah,
but ended up chatting the whole time.
no problem.
Why no problem?
Because laughing also burns calories.
Really?
I hope so.
Alex,
What?
if chatting counts as exercise,
Yeah,
then today we're super fit.
exactly.
So what next?
I have a top-notch idea.
What idea?
Let's go eat.
Alex,
After training. Need to replenish energy.
you're truly unbelievable.
But you'll come along, right?
Yes.
I knew it. Emna. Next week, let's really run.
You promise?
On my honor.
For real?
Yeah.
But run how far?
Run to the snack stall.
I'm not surprised anymore.